Welcome to the fourth episode of our Oracle Apex Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into the powerful filtering feature in Interactive Grid. Our focus is on mastering the art of filtering in interactive reports. We'll show you how to efficiently configure filters on interactive reports and apply them to your SQL sources. Ready to level up your filtering game? Let's dive in.
The aim of this workshop is to set filters on an interactive report and download its SQL source along with the filters. I'm creating a new app called IR Filters. I also immediately create a new page with an interactive report. I add a region with an interactive report to a blank page. Then I add the static ID to the report. A static ID is an HTML object identifier that objects can use to easily and uniquely identify each other via JavaScript code. Additionally, I create a hidden item on the website that will store the employee's ID. Before the header, I create a process that will set filters. I save and create another page that will contain the report with employees. I create a region with a report and set the source to an EMP table. I change the type of the column with the employee number to a link, and in the target section I point to the hidden element from page 2. I change the link text to a magnifying glass for greater readability. The last element is to modify the entries in a menu for the sales entry so that the cache memory is reset for this page. To do this, I save the page and go to Shared Components. Then I click the navigation menu and click the Edit button on page 2. In a clear cache, I set the page number value and save it. Additionally, I can change the names of the pages shown in the menu here. I save everything and run the application to see the changes made. On page 3 there is a report with all employees, and after selecting one of them, page 2 is displayed with the set filters, thanks to which you can see the employees' sales. Now I will print the SQL source along with filters from the interactive report. I go back to the development panel and set a static ID on page 3 in the report. I add a new region of type static content, providing its source code. In the Processing tab, I create a new AJAX callback. AJAX callback is a technique that allows you to dynamically load and update data on a page without having to refresh the entire page. I name it and add the source code. I create a dynamic action and change the type to JavaScript code in a true section. I enter the appropriate code and save the page. Now the third page contains the report SQL source code, which updates along with changes made to the report.